Hey, my name is Connor, and welcome to Crypto Empire, where we dominate the crypto markets. Just 2 days ago, we saw a huge liquidation event where over $1 billion was liquidated from the crypto markets in less than 24 hours. Now, we are starting to recover from that liquidation event, and we have some altcoins, such as Shiba Inu, Dogecoin, and Floki, really starting to wake up and lead the market. So in this video, I'll be giving you my analysis and my take on the current state of the crypto market, because a lot of people are just jumping in now and they don't necessarily know what they are getting themselves into. So I'll be breaking down the Bitcoin price as well as what I think about these meme coins pumping right now and how I plan on playing the remainder of 2021, because there's only 2 months left now. So if that does interest you, be sure to stick with me until the very end of this video. And if you are new to Crypto Empire, go ahead right now and smash that subscribe button down below and turn on all bell notifications so you don't miss any future videos. And let the gains be with you. So to start out this video, let's take a look at the market cap as a whole. We can see we have a $2.7 trillion market cap. Just 2 days ago, this was down to $2.5 trillion. So over $200 billion was added to the market within the past 48 hours or so, which is pretty bullish. Now we also have Bitcoin trading at $61,500 approximately, Ethereum trading at $4,200. Ethereum did drop below 4,000, and Bitcoin was trading at about 58,000 at the time of that liquidation event. We can take a look at the liquidations over here on Bybit, and we can see that this was up to $1 billion. At this moment in time, in the past 24 hours, about $250 million was liquidated from the crypto market. You can see over $1 million in just Dogecoin alone. If we take a look at the market, we can see Dogecoin is sitting at number 9. It's up 30% on the day. We also have Shiba Inu, which is up 150% on the week. So we currently have two meme coins that don't necessarily offer any utility in the top 10. So what does that tell me personally? It tells me that retail is entering into crypto at a rapid pace. And we can see that there is actually proof of that. Yesterday we had CNN tweet about Shiba Inu. Now CNN doesn't necessarily cover cryptocurrency, but when they do, it's usually during peak times in the market. With that being said, they said Shiba Inu coin soared to a new record on Wednesday, capping a surge of over 60 million% over the past year. So what did this do? This caused people to rush to applications like Coinbase, download Coinbase, and market buy Shiba Inu. We can see over here a tweet from yesterday. Coinbase becomes the #1 downloaded app in Apple's App Store since the SHIB coin reaches record highs. So people were market buying Shiba Inu. There was rumors of the Coinbase app crashing multiple times where people couldn't sell their coins that they're just buying. So things are getting a little bit crazy right now. So I want to remind you to not use your emotions when you are investing. Emotions and trading and investing do not go hand in hand at all. We want to make rational, wise decisions here, and we don't want to chase pumps. Another thing that I want to talk about right now is Floki. So I covered Floki about a week ago, and just in the past 24 hours, it's up 233%. So things are getting a little bit crazy. If you made gains, congratulations. That is amazing. Let the gains be with you. We can also look at the Floki price chart, and we can see that it is just breaking up over here on PancakeSwap. Now, if you guys do recall, I'll go to a daily price chart. If you do recall, in my Floki video, I did mention how the support level was down here at about 5,900, 0.0000 5,900, and we can see that 2 times we actually came right to the support level, and that was the launch pad that we actually took off, and now we're going parabolic. So I wouldn't necessarily recommend to chase after this. The real opportunity was down here at the support level that I did mention in the video. Cue the clip right here. So I have this line drawn. Notice how this candle body closed right here. These candle wicks couldn't break through. We couldn't get a candle body close, and then we finally had a breakout, and then we came back and we retested the same exact level. So this is the strong support area right here. This line is about 0.0000 5,900. So if we see a dip back down here, I would expect this support level to hold. Now at this moment in time, it's already pumped about a 3x. So it's not necessarily the wisest thing to do to chase after this, but can it continue rising? With the current state of retail jumping into the market, it is possible, but this is not financial advice. I never advise to chase after a pump. So do not necessarily just jump into something blindly. We want to wait for pullbacks. We want to wait for retracements to take our entries. But I hope that you were the wise trader and the wise investor, and you did your research and you came to your own conclusion. You built your own conviction before the pump did happen. Nonetheless, this is very exciting. It's an amazing time to be a cryptocurrency trader and investor, as the market is providing us with opportunities after opportunities. Now, I want to address something. I know there's some people out there that didn't catch any of these moves, whether it was on Shiba Inu, Floki, or any other altcoin. And there's a lot of people out there just getting into things, and they feel like they're missing out. I want to tell you something. I seriously think that we are just at the cusp of the biggest bull run in history. Let me hop into the charts right now and explain why I say that. So first, let me go over Bitcoin. So Bitcoin, we topped out at $67,160 just last week, about 1 week ago. This was a false breakout, but we made a new all-time high. From there, we pulled back about 13%. This is a pullback. You can't call a 13% move a correction. I would call a correction anything over 20%, but just 13% is a normal bull market pullback. As you can see, all we did was come right back to the previous supply zone at the fourth head of the Wyckoff distribution top. As you can see, I have this marked in the supply zone over here, and supply flipped into demand over here, and we pulled back right into the zone, and we had confluence with this trend line from the beginning of October. So this is holding at this moment in time. Can we see some more downside on Bitcoin? It is possible, but I only think it will be in the short term. I personally don't think we'll go lower than $53,000. 53K is that local top we saw in September before all of the FUD right over here. I don't think we go lower than 53K. If we do, I'll make an update video and address to you what I am thinking. But for now, things are still looking very bullish, and I don't think we go lower than 53. We're going to see we might chop around here while we have altcoins go parabolic. But I personally think that Bitcoin will be stealing the show and having an insane run towards new all-time highs again, because we have some huge updates, such as the Bitcoin Taproot upgrade that is coming in November. So the Bitcoin Taproot upgrade is a Bitcoin network hard fork of the code, and it's going to lower transaction fees, up the security, and also enable smart contracts on Bitcoin. I actually made a full video detailing everything about the Bitcoin Taproot upgrade on the Crypto Lifestyle YouTube channel. I will leave a card right here and also put the link down in the description below for you to watch that video and learn about the Bitcoin Taproot upgrade and why it is so important for Bitcoin and crypto as a whole going forward. This is a huge fundamental bullish narrative that I think will help us propel to new all-time highs. But I think that's going to happen regardless. This is simply going to add fuel to the fire. Now that we covered Bitcoin, let me hop into the total two. The total two is the altcoin market cap, excluding Bitcoin. So it's currently $1.42 trillion. I'm going to zoom this out to a daily. So Bitcoin, of course, has a market cap of 1.15 trillion. So the total two is the entire crypto market cap minus Bitcoin. And as you can see, we are trying to break out from the May 2020 high that we created. This was at the peak of altcoin season before we saw the summertime correction. Now, as you can see, we marched our way all the way back up to this all-time high resistance level. We got rejected. Now, we took another march up, another crack at the door, and we're accumulating just underneath the level. So I do believe that we're going to break out from here, and this is just a huge cup and handle pattern. Huge cup, and then we have the handle right here. And now we're just waiting on the breakout of the level up here at about $1.5 trillion. As you can see, I have my Fibonacci right here on the chart, and we can look at the extension levels. The 0.618 is 2 trillion. The 1.618 is about 3 trillion. And the 2.618 is about $3.8 trillion. So I definitely think that we could see at least 3 to 4 trillion in the total two, the altcoin market cap. So we're looking at anywhere between a 2 to 3x gains for the altcoin market cap. What is that going to do? It's going to send altcoins to crazy price levels. I don't want to get anybody excited or give anybody false expectations right now. This is simply my speculation and my analysis based off of my previous experience in the cryptocurrency markets and what I'm seeing playing out in the charts right now. So with that being said, if you're not already positioned, if you don't already have your bags built, I still believe you may have a little bit of time to build your altcoin bags to get them to where you want them to be, to reap the rewards that you want from this bull market. Because this is an event, and once it's over, right? It's like a small window of opportunity that we have here to really make life-changing wealth. So I hope you stay tapped in. Like I said in my live stream last Sunday, nothing else really matters right now. All of the problems can wait in your life. All focus, all attention is on crypto, because we are at the cusp of the biggest bull run in cryptocurrency history. Yes, it's been going on for the past 18-20 months, but now we're about to kick it into overdrive. I do believe it's not going to go straight up. There will be pullbacks. There will be corrections along the way. There always is. So play it smart. Wait for the dips to load up more if you have spare change, spare powder on the sidelines. Do not chase after the pumps. That will leave you feeling wrecked. So at this moment in time, we have meme coins like SHIB, Doge, and Floki leading the market. We have retail jumping in at a never seen before rate. So now is not the time to start FOMOing or getting emotional in crypto. It is time to stick to what you know, to continue to dollar cost average if that is your strategy, not financial advice. But do not chase anything. We're going to have more opportunities for pullbacks along the way, but I do believe we're going to see that breakout in the total too. I do believe Bitcoin will be heading to much higher prices. I still stand by my price prediction of $150,000 by the end of this bull run. So there's very exciting times ahead, but play it smart. Do not rush into anything. Take your profits, rotate your profits into other projects that you do believe will do well that haven't necessarily pumped yet, and let the gains be with you. I hope that you did enjoy this video. If you did, make sure you let me know by leaving a like and a comment down below. And if you are new to Crypto Empire, go ahead right now and smash that subscribe button and turn on all bell notifications so you don't miss any future videos. And my name is Connor from Crypto Empire, and I will see you in the next video.